Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Mycelium wallet account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by clicking open your Mycelium wallet application. Once you click open the app, you'll be able to see a pop-up. To sign into your account, click on Restore Backup. And now, select the length of the words to restore and indicate whether it is protected by a password. After you're done, click on OK. Enter the words one by one by typing it in from your keyboard. Make sure to type it in the correct order. If you make any kind of a mistake, you can click on Delete Last Word. After you're done, wait for a few seconds, and you'll be logged into your account. You'll simply need to enter your phrases that you backed up while signing up to your account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.